it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the Roby Marmiton wood cook stove. So I realize now that I have this chief model behind, which shows the warming oven. So I'm just going to step behind to show you that the Marmiton model is going to basically be the same as this Cook LX model that's featured behind it. However, it does not come with any backsplash or warming oven. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this model. Roby is the first EPA approved wood cook stove available in the United States. And they have 6 different models. So I actually have 3 of them shown behind me right now. You can see here, these 2 models, like I said, they're going to be the same, except for it's going to be the warming oven is the difference between the Marmiton and the Cook LX model. Now this model is going to be shown with the chrome, so I want to point out a few of these details here. You will notice the legs on the bottom of the unit are going to be chrome. These have simple black legs. The door, now the chrome door on Roby, they no longer make any full chrome door options, okay? So it's going to have the chrome on the inner and then the black on the outer. And then the reason for that is because these are cast iron doors, and when they were fully plated with the chrome, it would actually like cause the chrome to pit a little bit, and it really just did not look super nice. So that's what the difference is going to be there. I do have a ton of other videos where I go into much more depth, explaining the total overview, showing you the inner of the firebox. Again, all 6 Roby models are going to be the same, so you can go ahead and check out those other videos. I have cooking videos, baking videos, and other videos where I give you temperature readings as well. So this is going to be the most affordable option without the backsplash or any water reservoir. They do have one other model called the Elda, which would be the same as this, except for instead of these nice beautiful legs, it would have a pedestal base. I have the chief model behind me is shown with the pedestal base and the water reservoir, so I do have videos on that showing the difference. I'm curious, drop me some notes in the comments. Do you prefer cook stoves on legs or cook stoves on pedestals? It kind of seems like a split, but this year in particular, I feel like more people have been attracted to the leg option. So please, I love to hear what you guys are interested in. That really helps me to bring the products to the market that you guys want to see. Here we have an up-close view of the Marmiton stove. The lines on the legs are quite beautiful. I get a lot of compliments on the leg model stoves. One thing I want to point out, so this heat shield, this does come standard on all of the Roby EPA approved stoves. You can see how this heat shield is built. This creates an airspace. With this heat shield installed, it allows you to use this stove 2 1/4 inches off the wall when using a double wall chimney. So that is pretty cool. I want to also show you guys this model up close here, because you can see that only the inner portion of the Roby stoves has the chrome. The outer portion is just going to be black. And as I mentioned earlier, the porous, you can really see that up close here. So when the cast iron had the chrome plating, it just was not the nicest look. So I have to say that this with the inner chrome, outer black looks quite nice. And the chrome legs look nice as well. So this one here is the Cook LX. This one here is the Marmiton. And then featured behind this is going to be the chief model shown there on that pedestal base. So that's basically all the different models. The 6 models are going to be all the same. You either change out the pedestal base down there. This is the side reservoir option, and then the warming oven option. And here I'm going to show you guys the different models up close here. This is the Marmiton in all black. The leg models have this square door. I want to point this out. This pedestal model shown behind here, see the pedestal base? It has that arched door on the top. That is basically the major difference. Otherwise,
Firebox oven size, heat output is all going to be the same. Up close you can see the difference there in between the black and the chrome. And then up close here is what I was talking about. Chrome inner, cast iron outer, so you can kind of see that this is like porous. Cast iron just kind of has that finish. When this was fully dipped in chrome, when they attempted that, it was not the prettiest finish. So that is why it turned out like that. It is only going to be chrome on the inner door frame only, and then of course the chrome legs and chrome corners on the top and bottom of the stove.
So I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, don't forget, give them a thumbs up. Click subscribe in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.